Starting the vlog on the freeway, because why not? Heading down to Lewis's shop to go hang out with someone you guys most likely do know. I'm on the freeway, I'm heading there now, but I'll catch you guys when I get there, because I'm on the freeway. Yeah. Oh! Got the whole gang here. Jeez!
And we changed the fans on the back.
They got my turbo. Told you guys it was happening. Got Lewis here.
Yeah, we're installing it right now in your Civic. Hey, why don't you show them your Civic that we're installing it in?
Oh yeah, this one right here.
That's
Alright. The turbo's in here. I'll tell you guys what. 100 likes, and I'll buy it off of him. 100 likes. Would you do it? Cash in hand? Alright. 100 likes, I will buy this off of him, install it, and get it going. Because why not, you know? Then there's... I'm the real YouTuber.
you check it out.
For everyone that's wondering, Fong does work on his own car. Good job, man. I'm proud of you. Every once in a while.
Oh shit. You got time.
Oh shit. I'm gonna sit back down and just do what I do. I was like recording you doing it, and I was gonna say something, but never mind. YouTuber life though. Damn, I was doing my bad. Hey, think you're missing a motor.
No, that's how it runs.
Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah.
New mod, motor delete.
Yeah, motor delete.
Ah.
It looks a lot cleaner when I pop the hood.
Gotcha.
You know what
And it's
I'm
lightweight.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
so much more lightweight.
Oh, got it.
Take off so much weight.
Gotcha.
Insane.
Maybe I should do that.
About 1,500 pounds.
Yeah. What color?
Is you? That's you?
What?
Your motor?
Metallic or what?
Recording? Yeah. No, James.
That's yours. Why are you acting so brand new? Oh, now your camera shy. Why are you walking away?
Looking for number 10.
Huh?
Looking for 10.
Going for a drive in Lewis's car with the Gary Turbo.
Oh, but I ain't Lewis.
Oh, so this is your car.
This is my car.
Oh, gotcha.
This is my car, I'll tell you that.
I don't know how he drives this every day.
What's happening now?
We're gonna go on the 60 west and the 10 west in 3 miles.
Which lane should I stay in?
Stay in this one.
Jack, big face on. I know you're from LA, so.
That means I'm about it.
We got bad news or good news?
The good news is we got food.
You want to hear your bad news? So we got food.
Did you?
Yeah. No,
Yeah, because we went to the fucking downtown LA. We were in LA.
Yeah, so we went to downtown LA one, and we couldn't park there. And
It was the weirdest
we went
shit
to
ever,
another
dude.
one, yeah. But,
There was like helicopters too.
dude, he was super chill. He let us go. I just told him I was honest. I told him it's on my car, it's my buddy's car. You know, we just went to get food and stuff. And I popped the hood for him. I showed him. I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna go to the house with you guys. I know this is not your car. It's not your phone to deal with. So.
How you? You don't believe us?
I wasn't bullshitting. I can see your face. You can't bullshit a bullshitter.
His face or my
bullshitting.
face? Not my face. I had face.
Yeah.
I was just like, dang, that's crazy. That shit I've
What
never.
does it take for me to get one of those fucking motors in my car?
Return it. Return it.
You have a better motor?
Better more than this one. No way. It goes. That doesn't go fast. No.
Pushed over 10 pounds. So.
Hey, how long we take? Forever, huh?
Forever.
Because I'm telling you, bro, we went to LA and then we didn't see no parking, so we left to level 1 like 15 minutes away.
When I took off the
Traffic is a bitch. Huh? No, we did. Yeah, because okay, so We're getting ready to go get our food, right?
There's a video.
So here,
Let's see it.
check on it.
Nah, don't see it.
Nah, he came up next to us and then he went. Or we turned in front of him.
How is that possible?
And then
It could be a lot of things. Like it could be like, hey, like.
we went in front of him, and then we were making a left to go to the first spot. He kept going, and then we seen him flip around,
I see what you're saying.
and then we didn't get to make that light, so he kept going and he flipped around again.
You got there.
I mean,
What is
I mean,
your video?
your car
Are they
was
going?
for a while, right? Maybe like
No, but there wasn't. All right, so it is probably about 2 weeks later from the last clip that you guys seen. But you guys follow me on Instagram. You guys know kind of like my issues with like the car and everything. You guys, or you know, some people are wondering what's going on with it and what's what's wrong with the car is what everyone is asking. This car bogs a lot when I try to accelerate. I don't know if that makes any sense to you guys, but obviously I'm on E85 and I just kind of figured that it was kind of going wrong, so it kind of made me really start to go into testing, trying to figure out what the issue was. After doing testing, I was running full E85, then I went to E50 and everything was bogged until I found out that, you know, it is my flex fuel kit. Some of you guys may know this already and some of you guys may not. PRL is made for K-Tune, and then Siri Moto works better with Honda. When I bought the PRL flex fuel kit, it wasn't really on my mind like that. Like I thought, okay, it works better with it, but it shouldn't like be an issue. But when I pulled up the Honda app, which I do have on here, when I pull up the Honda app, my ethanol count when I would floor it would go down to 2%, and then it would pick back up and go back to 50 or 70 something, whatever I was on. So the car was not really ethanol right. See that one right there? It would like go down to 2 and then 50, and it would just be all kind of messed up. So it was really annoying. So I did a lot of testing with it, and I found out that could have been the problem. So I kept getting you know, like issues with it. And then one day I got a check engine light code for running lean on idle. It was really annoying. I had started the car, I was warming it up. I normally sit in my car for like 5-10 minutes, let it warm up, and then the light came on. I didn't move, but the light came on. I was like a little worried about it, so I was like, okay, let me look into it. I looked into it real quick, found out what it was. It was like leaning on, it was too lean on idle or something like that. I was like, okay, whatever. So I started driving home, went to my boy, we cleared the code. The next day it ended up coming back on again. So I'm like, shit, like this is, it's starting to worry me at this point. I got a check engine light for running too lean. I don't know like what it could be. I don't know what it is. You know, I don't know if the car's, you know, having any issues or anything. So I just kind of staying in my own business, kind of, you know, trying to worry about the car, not really worrying about anything going on around me. And then I figured I should just part the car out. So the first thing we took off was the PRL flex fuel kit, which is no longer on here. I'm not running ethanol anymore. That's why my ethanol is reading 0. My PRL flex fuel kit is gone. And as soon as we took it off, the car runs perfect. Haven't had any bogging, haven't had, you know, any issues with the car. I'm on 91 on a base map, +9, so that could have been the problem. I'm going to be getting the Siri Moto one in the future, probably maybe a little bit down the road, but I just found out that the PRL flex fuel kit was the issue, so I went ahead and just took it off, and now the car runs perfect. It idles fine, no check engine light code, everything is gone, car runs smooth. I'm happy, I'm excited. So yeah, I might just get the Siri Moto one in the future. I know on Instagram I told you guys I'm gonna part out. If you guys are watching this video and made it this far, because I don't know how far this is, I am not parting out the car. I got some big things coming for Emily. It's gonna be crazy. So I hope you guys stick around for that. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be worth it. I should have, you know, one big thing that I've been trying to do for the past couple months should be here hopefully next month. Everything's already on order. Flex fuel kit should be coming soon. I got a lot of things coming, guys. I need to get some wheels, so let me know what kind of wheels I should get down below. I'm rocking the white paint, so I'm trying to figure out what it is and what it ain't. But seriously, thank you guys so much. And I know I haven't been posting really in a long time, just kind of, you know, really going through it, but you know, we're getting back on our feet and we're gonna start rolling pretty soon. Just thank you guys for the support, mad love. I got a crack on my window. It looks like it's getting bigger. Damn. Looks like it's getting bigger, no cap. But just thank you guys so much, man, for the love and support that you guys have been giving me. It's been insane. You know, I think we hit 2.3 today, so I'm super excited for that. Like I said, I got it coming soon, but I want to show you guys, just to show you guys I'm not capping. I don't have my flex fuel kit anymore. Flex fuel kit is gone, no longer here. I should get a thumbnail. So yeah, so I'm glad the motor's running good. Should be getting, like I said, hopefully the Series Moto kit, and hopefully that doesn't come back. But I know a lot of people that run the Series Moto have not been having any problems, so hopefully I don't have any problems and everything's good and Gucci. So just thank you guys so much. Like I said, I got a lot of things on the way that I can't say, no cap in my rap. But yeah, just thank you guys so much. Hopefully when I get the Flex Fuel kit, I'm gonna start doing some races because I know those are popping, and I know some people like to watch those. That's why I haven't been posting them. I did ask you guys on Instagram if I should start racing. We'll see, or do some of those kind of videos. We'll see. I don't know. I gotta lift the car up because the car sits too damn low to be racing. But we will see in the future. Thank you guys so much for supporting. I love you guys so much. You know, you guys mean a lot to me. We're on the road to 5K. We need to get to 5K at least by the end of the year. So I hope the end of the year, like the rest, like the whatever we have left of the year, whatever coronavirus, this and that, hopefully we kill it this year. Just kill the game and just kind of go strong and finish hard. So thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a little bit of a clickbait, but to be honest, the car wasn't running right, so I guess we're okay. Not a blown motor, which is good. It's a good thing I found the problem before it got worse. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. Dab, peace.